Taiwan stock market followed Wall Street lower on Friday, losing more than 3% to close at 14,343 points. Chipmaker TSMC fell 22.5 NT amid broad weakness in the tech sector. Last month, Taiwan shares posted their worst June performance of all time amid fears over global inflation and an economic slowdown.
On Friday, the head of Taiwan's Stock Rescue Fund urged traders to stay calm, saying that the market will eventually return to its fundamentals.
It has been the worst first half for Wall Street in more than 50 years. The S&P 500 alone has shed $8 trillion in market value. The S&P is off 20%.
US stocks came under heavy pressure on Thursday, with all four major indexes finishing in the red. The S&P 500 closed out its worst first half in more than 50 years. On Friday, Taiwan stocks followed Wall Street's dip. TSMC lost nearly 5% to end at 453.5 NT dollars, while electronics, traditional industries and finance stocks all fell hard. The market fell 3.26% to close below 14,400 points on turnover of 300 billion NT. In the past 2 days alone, the Taiex has lost 900 points and there's still no relief in sight.
台股大概今年的低点下修到13000点。
This year's forecast was adjusted to a low of 13,000 points. Recently, the Taiex has been losing 300, 400, 200 points a session. So the idea is that within the next 5 to 10 days, it will drop to 13,000 points. But I wouldn't say that's a reasonable projection. No matter how weak the market is, it won't drop every day. Once the panic selling winds down, we will start to see signs of a rebound as the market finds its footing.
Traders are still searching for the bottom of the market sell-off. Last month, Taiwan stocks posted their worst June performance, with losses averaging out to nearly 500,000 NT per investor. Speaking to the media on Friday, the head of Taiwan's Stock Rescue Fund said that the market drop was, quote, an overreaction driven by panic. As the bourse heads into the second half of the year, traders are bracing for more pain ahead.